A Fox News alert and a global health emergency as the first case of the Zika virus is contracted in the U.S. and the way it was spread, sparking some panic. Kristen Fisher is live for us in Washington, tracking the developments. Kristen, good morning to you.
Good morning, Abby. So this is a big deal because up until now in this outbreak, the Zika virus had only been spread by mosquitoes, or at least known to be spread by mosquitoes. Well, now, for the first time, we know of at least one case in Texas where someone became infected through sex. According to Dallas County health officials, this person had sex with someone who had just returned from Venezuela and had fallen ill with Zika. Venezuela is one of the 28 countries in Latin America and the Caribbean with reported active transmission. Now, while this is rare, it's not totally new. There was a report of this happening in 2008 with a married couple in Colorado. Still, it has health officials very concerned, though our Dr. Mark Siegel puts it in perspective.
They should not be concerned about sexual transmission. That is one case. I talked to Dr. Tom Frieden today, the head of the CDC, who said that's very isolated. We are not going to see a sustained sexually transmitted spread. Pregnant women are the group that we're focusing on here that do need to be concerned if they have traveled to affected countries.
Now, the CDC has issued travel alerts for pregnant women in all 28 of those countries because the virus has been linked to serious birth defects, especially in Brazil, where there's been a spike in babies born with abnormally small heads. Now, most experts say that a vaccine is still likely years away, so your best protection is either mosquito repellent or avoiding travel to those countries, and now perhaps even avoiding people who come back from those countries. Fortunately, with that case in Texas, though, Abby, that person was not pregnant and therefore not in danger of having a baby with birth defects. Abby.
Right. Kristen Fisher live for us. Thank you, Kristen.